Lobster, guys. Nice. Here. Hi guys, welcome back to Journey with Faith. Today it is Mukbang day, while I ask my children a few questions about me and see which one of them knows me better. And there are some quick easy questions. So today we're eating seafood boil, and it has a twist to it with bami and garlic butter sauce. So today my children are here with me. They won't be in the video, guys. You'll see them at a later date. And so I'm gonna ask them a question and see which one of them knows me best. Some of them might be a little harder than some. So the first question is, so you guys have to shout out the answer first. What is my first name?
What?
Who answering it?
What kind of
What is my first name?
Faith.
Alright?
So
Okay.
okay. Know our first name?
What is my middle initial?
N.
What? I'm not going good. Alright. Am I a 70s, 80s, or 90s baby?
80s baby.
Hey! I'm a 70s baby.
I would say 80s.
Alright.
Nikolai.
So, tasting the corn, guys. Absolutely nice. Bummy in the garlic sauce. Alright. What are my two favorite things to do that
Favorite children.
makes me peaceful? Alright. Guys, I like to sew and I like to cook. When I sew, I'm at peace. When I cook, I'm at peace. So, if I'm hungry, I just jump on my sewing machine and start to sew and
Cook up a storm.
just cook up a storm. You know, my boy. You know. What's the first thing I do in the morning?
Pray.
Hallelujah! Devotion, yeah!
She go on our phone first. I'm lucky volume and wake up everybody.
Alright, so what Faith and say?
You go on YouTube, you play a song.
No, watch YouTube video. I'm lucky volume and wake up everybody.
Alright. So, when my daughter says, I go on YouTube and I watch YouTubers and I put the volume in the house and wake up everybody in the house. And then when everybody wake up, I do a devotion. Religiously, I do a devotion every day. Absolutely every day of the week. I do a devotion. So, Faithan is right. Faithan really know her mother. That's why she named after me. How do I say this now? The two types of car that you drive is automatic or standard. Which one do I prefer?
Standard. Standard vehicle only. Automatic.
Yes, guys, I prefer a standard vehicle. I prefer to change my own gear. I feel better. I feel like I am more in control.
A gearbox.
When I drive a standard vehicle as opposed to automatic. It's not that I can't drive the automatic, but it's just a preference. I feel more comfortable driving a standard vehicle and changing my gears. Gear up and gear down. That is me. Alright? Alright, guys. Let me see where I'm gonna get this one. Lobster, guys. Nice. Here. What's my two favorite colors?
Rose pink and
yellow.
Rose pink.
What you say, Nathaniel? What you say, Peyton?
Green
Uh-huh.
and rose pink.
What you say, Tamar?
Green.
Uh-huh.
No, army green.
What you say, Nathan and Nikolai? Okay. My two favorite color is rose pink and green.
Green.
I tell you, Faith and know her mother, you know. Faith and know her mother.
Army green.
Right, I actually love green because it is so fresh when I go outside, when I look at the trees, when I look at the lawn. You see, you know, these greenery. You know, I like to look at the mountains. There's just something about green that is young, that is beautiful, that lines the earth. And rose pink just let me feel good about myself. Alright? So, what is my favorite breakfast?
Egg and saltfish.
What you say, Nathaniel?
Egg.
Nathaniel say egg, Nathan say ackee and saltfish, Peyton say ackee and saltfish. Nikolai, what you say? Kemar, what you say? What you say, last?
Ackee and fried dumpling.
Ackee and saltfish. Boy, Peyton really know her mother doing it. Peyton and Nathan. Peyton, you really know your mother. That's why you name off me. Which letter start the parish I was born in? C. C. What you say? Come on.
C.
Alright, C. Okay. These are some easy ones, you know. Okay. Who is going to guess this one? Am I a one? Alright. How old was I when I had my first child? Nikolai?
18.
Wait,
No,
Nikolai.
when she have-
Hold
when
on.
she
Nikolai,
have
what
the
you
ball.
say? What you say? Nathan? Peyton, what you say?
18.
What you say, Kamar?
That was me. And you were 18.
Okay. So it was 18 when I had my first child. And I'll come to you guys about being a teen mom on a story time. Okay, and a follow-up question to that. Am I a one-time or a two-time teens mom?
One time.
What is your Peyton?
You are never a teen mom, because you wouldn't say 18 at
You are.
A teen,
Then
you
what,
reach 20.
then what is that?
What is 18?
You're teen right up until you're 19.
No, well, me an adult when you're
Okay, yes, you're a young adult when you're 18, but you're still in your teens. So I'm asking, am I a one-time or a two-time teens mom?
One time.
One time. So I'm a one-time teens mom, and as I said, I'll give you guys a story time about being a teen mom. So I have 5 children, guys. 5 children. And I'm going to ask these children. I had my 5 children before I was what age? Okay? I had my 5 children before I was what age? 30. 28.
30.
What you say, Nathaniel? I had my 5 children before I was what age? 30.
Before you were 30.
Nathaniel said 30 commercial, 30. We didn't have no time for check. Answer no. So you can't check it out. Alright, yes, I had my 5 children, guys, before I was 30 years old. Now they are all grown up. And guess what? I am still young and I'm enjoying my life and I'm enjoying my children. So I'm happy. It was difficult, but I'm happy that I had them when I was young, guys. So as I said, another day you'll hear story time about those times, right? Being a teen mom and how I make it through with 5 children. And I'm proud, guys. Right? What do I prefer? Stove top or oven?
Stove top.
Okay, what you say, Nathaniel? What you say last? Stove top. I prefer cooking on the stove top, guys, because I can mix up, a lot of ingredients on the stove top. The oven, now if you're baking, you have to do precise ingredients, right? So you just say 1 pound of this, 1 teaspoon of that, and you can't mix up a lot of stuff together. But on the stove top, you can do almost anything. So you can put like creamy wheat cereal in your flour and cook dumpling. You can put oats in your flour and cook or fry dumpling on the stove top. You can just mix up just about anything, any seasoning, and that's what I like. All right. Okay, so I have 5 children again. How many times did I have a vaginal delivery?
3.
What you say, Kamar?
3.
Kamar kind of thinking. We should talk about how many times I have a vaginal delivery. I have 5 children.
3.
And I have 3 vaginal delivery. Right? So, this one. How do I ask it? Okay. Which parish did I attend school? High school?
Kingston.
Primary school too? Alright.
Kingston, Mandeville, Maypen, everything.
Kingston. I went to school in Kingston. Alright? Alright, the last question, guys. Alright, guys. Last question. I have a devotion religiously every morning. Right? Every morning. What is the one thing I say every morning in my devotion? Yes, I'm telling you, what is the thing I say every morning?
You say, Lord, cover my children.
God bless you and God go with you.
Say, God go with you, God bless you, Lord, cover my children.
The one thing I say literally, religiously, every morning in my morning prayer.
You say amen after you pray.